Are you looking to add bonds to your investment portfolio but don't know where to start? Look no further. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of buying bonds, from understanding the basics to monitoring your investments. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of bonds. A bond is a debt instrument where an investor loans money to an entity, such as a corporation or government, with the promise that the borrowed amount will be paid back with interest at a later date. Step 2. Determine your investment goals. Before buying bonds, it's important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking for a steady stream of income or long-term growth? Are you comfortable with the risk of losing some or all of your investment? Step 3. Research different types of bonds. There are many different types of bonds to choose from, including government bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds. Each type of bond has its own set of risks and rewards, so it's important to research and understand the differences before making a decision. Step 4. Decide on the term of the bond. Bonds come in different terms, or maturities, which can range from a few months to 30 years. Short-term bonds are generally considered less risky than long-term bonds, but they also offer lower returns. Step 5. Choose a reputable bond dealer. When buying bonds, it's important to choose a reputable bond dealer or broker who is a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Step 6. Decide how much to invest and make the purchase. Once you've decided on the type of bond, term, and dealer, it's time to decide how much to invest. Keep in mind that some bonds have minimum investment amounts. You can buy bonds through a broker or directly from the issuer if they offer them for sale. Step 7. Monitor your bond investments. It's important to monitor your bond investments and stay informed about any changes in the issuer's financial health or credit rating, as these can affect the bond's value. And that's it. By following these steps, you can buy bonds and add them to your investment portfolio. Remember to diversify your investments and not to put all your eggs in one basket. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful how-to videos on a variety of topics.